Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter E. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर E का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter E. लेटर E पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo! Shabash! The sound of letter E is A. Letter E की आवाज है A. Trace the letter with a pencil. अब आप E पर पेंसिल फेरें. Now we will read keywords from letter E. अब हम E से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. Egg, ear, elephant, envelope. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. E letter, eat, eat.
E letter, eat.
E letter, meat.
E letter, meat.
Now circle the letter E in the given letters. अब इन लेटर्स में E के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. शाबाश. Connect eagle to its nest with the help of lines. Connect egg to the hen with the help of lines. Connect ear to the sound wave with the help of lines. Now we will read letter story. अब हम हर्फ कहानी पढ़ेंगे. An elephant and her calf lived in a jungle. One day the baby calf saw eagle's eggs in the nest. He touched the eggs and one egg broke. Mother eagle got upset. Mother elephant asked the baby calf to say sorry to the eagle. Dear teachers, introduce letter E with a letter story and phonic song. Discuss animals, their habitat and their babies. Discuss the moral of the story. Ask children to bring boiled egg for lunch. Make them peel the egg and share its health benefits. Introduce vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words egg, elephant, exit, email, eel, eraser, envelope, engine, and electricity. Ask children, how did the eagle feel about the incident?